Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, which is the pencil icon. Now we have to tap on the specific list and let me remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture or tap on the circle. Here you've got the illustrations, so you can choose some photos or maybe pictures which are available online and free of charge. Google Photos, so you've got your backed up photos, the gallery with your photos basically, and camera, you can tap on it to open the camera app. So let me choose something from the gallery, simply tap on the photo you'd like to use, and here in this step you can zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So then simply tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got our photo assigned. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.